Look, ayy, ain't gon' catch the bitch, get on my nerves. Just got a block, almost hit the curb. Most niggas been sitting on me right now, see me in person and won't say a word. I think.
What it do, YouTube? It's your boy AJ, and we back with another video. No cap, so look, in today's video, I don't know, bro. Like, we normally don't have car meets and, you know what I'm saying, like, get-togethers and stuff like that. It's normally just everybody just come out, so I'm finna go and try to head to this one little spot that supposedly has some cars out there. Ain't no telling what's gonna go on, so I'm finna go ahead. Yes, I'm gonna head out there and see what they talking about. And I just want to get y'all some footage of Arkansas car scene, you know what I'm saying? So let me go ahead. We headed there now. As y'all see, we on the road. We got the car driving good. We finna see what we can get into. No count.
I said, hold up, wait a minute, something ain't right. YouTube. I swear to God, I'm sick of this fucking car. Excuse my language. Dang, I can't even talk. I'm so sick of this car, bro. Like, let me just show y'all what's going on, bro. As y'all see, bro. Once again, bro. Literally. Got the goddamn car and locked up, bro. I should have just went. Every time I try to do something. Bro. Literally. Every time I try to do something. Every time I try to go out and do something, bro. I'm telling you. Like, I don't know what to do no more. Like, I can't catch luck nowhere. Literally just put this car back together. Got it driving right. And the motor lock up, bro. Literally, bro. I just put the spoiler back on. Everything. Literally, bro. At this point, I don't know what to do. I'm tired of it. It ain't nothing I can do. It ain't run high. I seen oil pressure dropping, and I tried to make it home. Boy, I tell you, I can't win for losing, bro. I swear to God, bro. Ain't win for losing, bro. I'm in this bright green Charger, bro. And not the best area. Like, how good could that be, bro? I told you, bro. And I know everybody know what this car look like, cause it's the only green one, bro. It's cool though, bro. It ain't cool. It ain't cool at all. Let me quit capping, bro. I'm irritated. I'm very frustrated right now. Like, when I say P-I-S-T, that's what I am. And now, once again, I'm waiting on another tow, bro. If it's not meant for me to have a charger, just say that. God, please, I can't. Bro, what the fuck? Let me close it here so I can don't look ragged. God damn, man. Fucked up. Let me cut my hair so people won't follow me. I'm gonna let y'all, I'll cut the camera back on when I figure something out. I'll let y'all know something when I know something. I mean, it's the hole, so I'm gonna have to figure out where to go on.